I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTracker.com, and today we're going to do a product review on the SPIDI Carbo 4 gauntlet gloves. Okay, retail on the Carbo 4 as of the time we're shooting this video is $229. Let's talk about sizing. I normally wear 2X in most common gloves. That's what I have on with these. And right out of the bag, they felt comfortable. They size, I would say, right along with most common gloves out there. So use that information along with a size chart to choose the best possible size for yourself. Who is this glove right for? It's a full gauntlet glove. It's using a combination of goat skin. We've got some carbon bits. We've got clarino. We've got the Warrior technology. So when you look at this glove, it screams racetrack, track days, some racing, maybe high-end street stuff where you have a rider who really wants a nice gauntlet glove. That's what it says. And like I said, it feels good, all the internal seams. I like that. I like that part. Now I'm just going to come right out and say it, and Speedy's probably not going to be super pumped with this, but here's what I don't like. They took the time to put this really cool, and I really appreciate this Warrior technology, to put it here on the palm. When I look at a palm slider on a glove, the first thing that I want to see is that it has the ability to help encourage a slide so that when you put your hand out, and most inexperienced crashers, right, and let's hope that you never have any experience crashing, but if you do, you want to wear the right stuff. That's the whole point. You're going to put your hands out almost every time, especially if you're new to it, to try and brace yourself. It's an instinct. A palm slider, in my opinion, it needs to just encourage that slide. And this feels kind of grippy and rubbery, and I can feel it on the table like it wants to grab a little bit. So my criticism would be with that, maybe a different material choice there, and this glove could be just a massive home run. I'm not saying the glove is horrible. Probably would do a great job of managing an impact. I'm sure that would have a measure of abrasion resistance and help hold that palm together. I just wish that it encouraged a slide a little bit easier. Beyond that, I like the internal seams. They've used goat skin on this glove. The tolerances of the material are between 0.8 and 0.6 millimeters. Those things are all in the right place. Carbon inserts and overlays to protect the knuckles. Motion panels. We've got a carbon knuckle protector here. It's kind of a tunnel system, so it's easy. You have a lot of dexterity, easy to make a fist. Protection for the back of the hand. We've got leather, and then there's some foam behind that to help manage impact and energy. Clarino overlay for the pinky and the palm. That's a real vulnerable spot there in a low side. Motion panel here on the thumb. Some energy managing foam there. Got your safety strap. The gauntlet, little Warrior technology is used here. So it really has a lot of the right features, a lot of the right benefits, a nice fit, a nice feel. My criticism would be that part for the track, and they have so many gloves in their catalog that are really good. You know, I feel like I would maybe take a look if you're going to be at this price point. Let's go ahead and take a look at that Carbo 5. I just think you're going to get yourself a more track-focused glove, and they use the super fabric on that one. I guess it could be a little more appropriate. I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTracker.com.